pretty miserable weather right now. I'm back in Germany to try to photograph the wildcat kitten. The forest is so beautiful right now. The leaves have that vivid green color and the birds are singing. I found the wildcat mother with her kitten on the roof of their shelter. After playing with Mom's tail, the little kitten wants to suckle. It is starting to rain, so Mom leaves the roof and goes inside the shelter. Mom is calling for her kitten. She wants her to come inside. There she is. And off she goes. It's starting to rain, so I found myself a dry spot to wait until the weather clears up again. So fingers crossed, hopefully it will get better and the light will get better too, because it's very dark now, so it's impossible to take great photos. And the animals are hiding as well. They don't like the rain, especially the wildcats. They don't like the rain at all, so they're hiding. So we're all waiting for the rain to clear and hopefully some sunshine and some better weather. Every now and then Mom has a peek outside to see if it's stopped raining already. Well, what can I say? It is wet. It is still raining and I hear thunder and I have no idea if it is getting better anytime soon. So maybe I'll just wait for another hour, and if it stays rainy and wet, I'll call it a day. Just wait and see. I don't know. Eventually it has stopped raining and the sun is shining through the clouds. little kitten is having a peek outside, but without the safety of her mum, she's a little bit scared. Mum is enjoying the warmth of the sun. The kitten was finally brave enough to leave the shelter and has been reunited with Mum. After being groomed by Mum, it's time to suckle. These last moments with the wildcats was well worth waiting in the rain, and I'm glad I decided to stay a little bit longer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you love animal babies, then I have something special for you. This year I've created a calendar with my most precious baby animal photos. The calendar can be pre-ordered now and will be shipped beginning November. I will leave a link to my website in the description. Thank you so much for your support.